Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to ungroup rows in Google Sheet. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Spreadsheet or Google Sheets. Open your document, and now we can see this group already group rows minus icon. Click plus icon or minus icon, then select minus icon or plus icon. Right click on your mouse. Collapse row, group, remove group, expand all row, group. Simply click remove group. That's it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.